Il y a, so we saw it in a previous lesson quite shortly. So il y a means there is or there are. But then in French, we will have only one form, il y a. Okay? So let's see, for instance, here, a question. Est-ce qu'il y a un magasin dans le quartier? Okay? Est-ce qu'il y a? So, is there un magasin, a shop, dans le quartier, in the neighborhood? Okay? Est-ce qu'il y a un magasin dans le quartier? All right. So the answer would be oui, il est juste ici. Yes, it is right here. Oui, il est juste ici. Okay? So in that case, we've been using this il y a, there is. Okay? Just because un magasin, well, it's singular. Okay? So it's basically there is a shop, there is something. Okay? Let's see now. Here, same thing. Il y a une piscine, a swimming pool, dans cette ville. Il y a une piscine dans cette ville. All right? So you can see that in the first example, I've been using this est-ce que. You remember we saw that previously that you can add if you want to ask a question, okay? Or then it's possible here just to keep the same order. There is, il y a, okay? Une piscine, a swimming pool, dans cette ville, in this town, okay? But then don't forget to raise your voice at the end because it's a question. Il y a une piscine dans cette ville? Il y a une piscine dans cette ville? Okay, just a little bit to make it clear that it's a question, okay? So answer, oui, elle est à côté de la mairie. À côté, remember it was next or near, okay? And then la mairie, city hall. Oui, elle est à côté de la mairie. All right? So in both cases here, il y a, just because it was masculin singulier, okay? And then here, il y a une piscine, féminin singulier. All right, and we'll see now the other option that we would have to ask correctly the question. So first, look at it. Il y a, actually, you should change the order and put it like that. And the way you will pronounce it is y a-t-il, y a-t-il. Okay, so that's the correct form to ask a question with il y a, so the formal form if you want. And then des toilettes, here it's the plural form, okay, toilets, okay. So it doesn't really change because it will stay il y a, okay, but then here, of course, the order is changing, so that's the reason why it can be a bit tricky to notify the fact that basically it doesn't change even if it's plural here, okay. Dans ce restaurant, in this restaurant. Y a-t-il des toilettes dans ce restaurant? Y a-t-il des toilettes dans ce restaurant? Okay, and then the answer, oui, elles sont juste à droite. Okay, droite, remember, it was on the right. À droite, on the right. Just on the right. Oui, elles sont juste à droite. Okay, so to resume the whole thing, remember this il y a will be used so for there is, so like here, un magasin, a shop, so it's the singular form, okay? Or then here as well, il y a, there is, une piscine, a swimming pool, but still it will be also used as like that, il y a, okay, or then in the other order here, for the plural form, okay? It doesn't change. So that's one interesting thing in French. For once, it's easy. It doesn't change. Il y a plus singulier or then il y a plus pluriel. Okay?